Unlock your video editing superpowers with the incredibly powerful and surprisingly simple Capcut desktop application. Let's dive straight into the Capcut PC interface. It's designed to be super intuitive, even for beginners. When you first open Capcut, you'll see your main project area, this large central space where your video will come to life. To get started, we need to import our video clips and audio. Click on the Media tab here, and then hit the Import button. You can then select all the files you want to use from your computer. Once imported, simply drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline. Below this is where the magic happens. Arrange your clips in the order you want them to appear. You can resize them by clicking and dragging the edges. To fine-tune your footage, select a clip on the timeline. You'll see a range of editing options appear at the top. Need to trim a section? Just drag the handles on the clip. Want to change the speed? Use the speed tool to create slow motion or fast-forward effects. Add some flair with text. Click on the Text tab and choose a style. Drag the text onto your video track above the main footage. You can then customize the font, color, size, and even add animations to make your text pop. Transitions are crucial for a smooth flow between your scenes. Head over to the Transitions tab and experiment with different effects. Simply drag your chosen transition between two clips on the timeline. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Look for the Export button. Usually in the top right corner, you can choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and file format to get your video ready to share with the world. And that's it. You've taken your first steps into creating amazing videos with Capcut on your PC. Don't be afraid to explore and let your creativity shine.